Hello guys, welcome once again. This is your boy OGC Solution. Okay, I'm here once again to show you guys a very good, fantastic opportunity. You don't want to miss out. Okay, very good opportunity. Don't want to miss out. If just take a look, this is the site. I recommend this as one of the best sites. Okay, if you just take a look, this is the site here. Teams Earners FS. Okay, what is this site all about? Before I continue, I would like to ask you to help me to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also drop your comment down below. Okay, drop your comment down below. Help me to subscribe because it's going to help the video a long way. Help me to subscribe to my YouTube channel now. Okay, let's go straight to the point. I don't want to waste your time. How does it work? How does this site work? This site is a very fantastic site. Just take a look at what you see what is Earners FS. Earners FS is a forex trading solution built for anyone with a small capital to invest in forex and make a nice income. It also promotes social media account of a business individual by providing real traffic to boost their business. Okay, and let just scroll down. Okay, a little bit. This is what they're talking about here, but I don't want to go into this one. Let me just go a little bit up. Okay, a little bit down, just for a moment. Yes, this is where I want to really show you something. See, how does it work now? Earners FS offer different investment subscription. This is the subscription here. This for particular thing. They are the subscription that they offer you. Now you see, just go through it and see, like for example, gold 5,000 in 14 days, you have 85%. Okay, just go through it and you see what you can invest on. See the one you can invest on. You see, when you buy a pack of 5,000, which is the good, okay, which is the good I just showed you now, after 14 days you will get 9,250 naira returns. And if you earn 4,000 naira from bonus activity, that is 13,250 after 14 days. You can just go through it. This is just small one. You can just look at this one too. I think this one is diamond. I think when you buy a pack of 10,000 naira after 14 days, you will get 20,000 naira return. If you earn 4,000 naira from bonus activity, that is 24,000 naira after 14 days. Guys, this is, just check it out. There are a lot. Just check them out. You can see, and also you can also earn from your referral. Okay, this is the package. Okay, an earner can be withdraw at any time. The minimum withdrawal is 5,000 naira. That's your minimum withdrawal. You can withdraw from this site. Okay, and they have another wonderful opportunity to, like, referral bonus. Okay, if your referral invest on that 5,000 naira package, you get 1,200 naira bonus. Look at it here, this one, yes, right here. Okay, that's how it work. If you now invest on the 10,000, which is diamond, you get 1,500 from your referral, the person you refer. Okay, just check it out. This is, guys, this is very good opportunity. You can just go through it. And also how to deposit or withdraw. Okay, you see there, this is one of the way you can deposit and also withdraw. Okay, Perfect Money, Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc., like that. Okay, so guys, what am I telling you? This is a very fantastic opportunity. Don't want to miss out. Just go there, download the app. Once you download the app, you will you will see how to register. It's not that difficult, very as simple as ABCD. Just go through it. You have to download the app. You have to download the app. Okay, because it's through the app if you're going to invest your money too. Okay, and just make your cool money, fantastic money. Okay, it's very great. You see, this is very fantastic. Okay, I will advise you guys to look into it. Okay, look into it, check it out. It's very fantastic opportunity you don't want to miss out on. Okay, just go through it and just get uh what you need. Okay, so now I'm going to be wrapping up right now. Okay, let me remind you once again, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, help me subscribe. Okay, I want to say bye bye to everyone. Have a nice day. Okay, till I come your way next time. Bye bye.